to my makeup corner. Now that we have moisturized, I'm gonna go in and do eyebrows, and I use the Maybelline New York Brow Satin. Very thick brows here in the front, so I don't really apply much product, so I don't really do much with the front. I literally like to just leave it bare. As you can see, it's really already dark, so I don't really apply much product on it. Filling the ends. As you can see, it's mostly my ends that don't have any. Just fill it in. This one is not as full as the one on my right, so I like to go in just I always have to remember that they are not twins, they are sisters. Just like fill this one in as much as possible. And then I go in with a brush. Just brush it up. When it comes to your eyebrows, you really have to be patient with them, and with you getting used to shaping them and trusting your process. Otherwise, you're just gonna get frustrated the whole time. And then just to clean them up, here on the bottom, I will link all the products that I use in this whole process down in the description box. But I use the Rimmel London Insta Concealer Contour Kit. I usually go in with that middle one and just line my under eye. I've taken a bit much, so I'm just gonna evenly do it between the two, so I use, equal amount of product. on the brush, I go over the top. I finish it off with the Maybelline Brow Drama in Dark Brown Sculpting Mascara, and I just go over because I have very long eyebrow hair on my eyebrows, and I just like to make sure that if they sit, they sit. And then that's it. That is my very easy brow tutorial. Then you go in and you do your foundation and your routine. All these products are available in Click. I bought both of them for under 150 Namibian dollars. You can choose the color that fits you. Mine is a brown, and I like to use both of them brown and more like a dark brown because my natural eyebrows are very dark, so I like to go in with something that matches them instead of something lighter, because then it looks like I tinted them. But that's what it basically is. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you can go on and then do your own brows. That's it from my makeup corner. See you next time.